Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to compress PDF file size in laptop offline. So guys, this process that I'm going to show you will be just the same whether you are using a laptop or desktop. So from here, just simply right click on the PDF, and as you can see, it is at 23.8 MB file size. So I'm going to right click on it and go for open with, and from here just simply go for choose another app and just simply open it up with your Microsoft Word. So I'm gonna go for more apps over here and scroll down, and I'm gonna go for Word and click on OK. And once you have opened it up to the Word, just simply click on OK. So now once it is loaded up, just simply click on Enable Editing, and from here click on OK. So now, once it is converted, you can just simply click on File at the top left corner of the screen. And from here, go for Save As. And from here, just simply save it into your computer. Click on this PC. And from here, let's say I'm going to go for this folder. And now, from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on this Save As Type and go for PDF. And now from here, you should have an option here, minimum size. So from here, make sure to select this one, minimum size, and just simply provide the right file name. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on save. And now guys, once we have checked it, as you can see, the file size is now only 1 MB. And originally it was a 24 MB file size, and we just have compressed it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!